Hi besties, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be learning how to cut this simple circle dress with spaghetti strap. I tell you, this style is so versatile, it's so chic and classy. Let's go straight into the tutorials. So after getting your things ready to cut, the measurement and all that, you fold your fabric in a triangular shape. You just make sure you arrange the material accordingly. After folding it in a triangular shape, you go ahead to make sure that all sides are equal. Then you take your measurement, your shoulder measurement, divide by 2, place it on the angle above, and you just mark that out. After that, I go ahead and make sure that it's properly marked. So you go ahead and take your measurement. Since it will be having a strap, I start my measurement from up, take my armhole measurement by subtracting 6 from the top part, and at the end of the day, the armhole that you cut out will be really small because it has a strap already. So I'll just go ahead and mark that place out. After doing that, you make sure that everything is in place. So I go ahead to take the full length measurement. I'm starting from the shoulder line because I want the front part to be longer than the side. So I'll just go ahead and take the length all the way down. I'll be using length 41 for the length, but then I'll be adding 1 extra inch for the hemming at the mouth. So I'll go ahead and take 42 inches round the fabric. Don't forget, after that front part measurement, when taking the other round places, I have to subtract 6 up because I said I want the front part to be longer than the remaining part, the front and the back part to be a bit longer than the side. So you just go ahead and mark out after taking your measurement. So after doing that, I'll just go ahead and cut my fabric out. I'm using this really simple Ankara. It's very fine, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and cut it. Don't forget, it's normal for your fabric not to be okay under, like it will not be equal under because of the fabric. I'm using 3 yards of Ankara, but we'll come back to that part. So I'll go ahead and cut out the shoulder measurement. Remember, we cut out the armhole, so I'll just go ahead and cut out the armhole. You can see how really small it is because the remaining part will be from the strap that we're going to take off. So I'll just go ahead and open up the fabric all the way down, because as soon as you fold it, there's one part of it that is not open. I folded it, so it's supposed to be into 4 at the end of the day. So I just go ahead and cut it open all the way down. After doing that, I'll just go ahead and take the extra material that was down that I cut out to be able to place it on the part that was not equal with the remaining part. So I'll just go ahead and pin those places together so that we'll be able to have an equal measurement at the end of the day under. After pinning that, I'll just get ready to cut it down to make sure everything is well okay. So I'm done pinning the fabric now. So right after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead to turn it upside down. Turn it the other way around so that I can see where the flare is, and I'll be able to cut the other part to make it involved. Make sure you arrange your fabric properly so that you don't end up having a material that is not balanced, so that your cut end up being balanced and not unbalanced. So I just go ahead and follow that here and then cut it out. You can see my circle is fully out, and this is how you cut a circle. It's super easy. After doing doing that, I'll just go ahead and so I'm going to just go ahead now cut this strap. The length is going to be 14. Remember, it's actually 12. That's I left 6 inches up for the strap. So for both front and back, it's supposed to be 12, but I made it 14 because we're going to sew part of it inside. Then I made the wideness to be 3.5. By the time I fold it, I should be able to have 1.5 of the wideness. So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it all the way down. That's how I cut the strap. Don't forget to sew it inside out. Anyhow you want to do it, but just make sure you have to fold your strap in order to give it a neat finishing. So this is my strap at the end of it. After cutting my strap, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'll turn it inside out. So this is basically it. It's not difficult. Yeah, this is how you're going to turn. I'm just making sure that by the time I fold my strap and sew, it will be able to give me what I want. So voila, this is after cutting and sewing. This is what a circle dress looks like. As you can see in the video, it was very easy, very simple and very straightforward. Just let me know in the comment section if there's something you don't understand. This is just a cutting video. After that, I put some stones on it to like pop the look, and as you can see, it's already hidden. So I also made a belt to attach to the dress to give it that fitting if you want. So this is basically just it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching and bye.